Vista has always been a forward-thinking engineering company. Back in the day, 20, 30 years ago, that was different. But that approach to fit for purpose, but always providing the client the best we can, always thinking of a better way to do things. I remember when I first started at Vista, it was maybe several years in, but there's this procedure we do, and we do it all the time. I can make it better. And I remember going into Alex's office, and I knocked on the door. It was a couple of weeks before Christmas. I said, Alex, I want to spend next week, and I want to it was the material requisition. I said, it's not working. I want to fix it. I can fix it this week. It's quiet before Christmas. Let me fix it. And he just looks at me. I'll spend next week and I'll do it. And I did. And that tool is still used today. It's come a long way. We made that step change. I was allowed to innovate. I was allowed to do what needed to be done to that tool. And now it's evolved. It's gotten better and better over the years. But even back then, hey, let's do this more efficiently. I said, I can get this more efficient. You create an environment that you trust the employees. I remember as a mechanical lead, I would have what we called coffee meetings in the morning, just to set the day. Hey, what is everybody working on? Everybody got a few seconds to say what they needed, what they're doing, what troubles they're having. And I remember the young engineer was asking me questions, and I would tell him, I trust your judgment. And I remember he was taken back. He was taken back for a long time. And I'm like, Bob, I trust you. I trust your judgment. If I didn't trust you, you wouldn't be here. I said, if you have a question, come see me, but I trust you. And I took a course at Harvard, and they reiterated that to me in a different way. You got to where you are in life because somebody or people along the way trusted you. And if you think about that statement for a minute, it's true. Everything you've done, somebody's had to trust you. And so I think trust is very important. Yes, our clients very much trust Vista, and that empowers us even more to do a really good job. Like it just creates the right environment for innovation and good ideas. And people aren't frightened to speak up and say, hey, what about doing this? And I know I've spoken up in a meeting and I've said, hey, about doing this, Jen. I'm like, yeah, okay, you're right. But it was a safe environment for me to say that. And that's important because not every idea is going to be a good idea, but that one, hey, what do they say in hockey? If you don't shoot at the goal, you'll never score. So it's got to be a safe environment.